We'll guide you through how to set up a Dropbox family plan. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log in with your account. You'll need to have a Dropbox Plus or professional account to start a family plan. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Plan tab. Here, you'll see an option to upgrade to a family plan. Click on Upgrade and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. After upgrading, return to the Settings menu and you'll notice a new Family tab. Click on it. This is where you can manage your family members. To add members, click on Invite Members. Enter the email addresses of the family members you want to invite. They will receive an email invitation to join your family plan. Once they accept, they will be added to your plan and can access the shared space. Each member will have their own private section, in addition to a shared folder for group files. If you need to remove a member, simply click on their name in the Family tab and select Remove from Family. The family plan allows up to 6 users, including yourself, so you can have up to 5 other members. It's a great way to share space and files with your family while keeping your personal files private. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.